Hail. So now welcome to the introduction of the React project one we could build. So now the app be this. And waiting the thing they do. It's just a list post. You fit add new post, you fit delete post, you fit search for post. For example, I fit delete Nigeria fact. And I fit add new one. I'll say new post. And I'll say this is a new post. And I'll say okay, I did. You see, the post appear for here and I'll still fit delete them. I fit search for post. You see? And if no post they available, you go say no post they available. So you know they do much. But a lot they will go learn for here. We go learn about React hooks. We go learn how to use state, use reducer. We go learn how to render list for React. We go learn how to manage state using use state and use reducer. We go learn how to manage form controls. We go learn how to use callback for React. And the knowledge we go learn for this project, they applicable in any React project. So we go start from scratch. So it means say we go still learn how to create React app, how to use GitHub. So a lot today. So we could begin. So the first thing we will do, I will come here, GitHub, then I'll create new repo. I'll call them Afroblog. And it will be public. Then I'll just make it create. All right, you don't create them. So the next thing we will need to do, we will go create React app and just go where they talk say okay how to create them. So go use this one. So I will just copy this. Then I'll go my terminal. But this one I will change down to Afroblog. You go create them for me. So you create them. Now you don't create them finish. So what you also will do is a more CD into the folder. So I will just copy this and CD. And it's a more use yarn start. So I'll do this one. So I'll toss a make it yes. So I go run on a different port. Alright, so now the default be this using Create-React-App. Now what we need to do, because we don't already create the repo for GitHub, so we just need to copy this. So I'll just kill the server and I'll just paste. Then I will just copy this branch main and this first may I do git status, nothing there. Yeah, this one's not the things we Create-React-App give us by default be that. Then I'll just push. Okay, so if I refresh here now, our repo already there here. So which is good. So now the first step to creating this app be that. So yeah, I will stop the video for here and then we'll come see what we'll go do next. So if you get any question, if you just comment on this video and I will respond. And if you never subscribe to my channel, if you subscribe so that anytime where I upload new video, YouTube will notify you. I hear later.